This option can be applied to both vertical and horizontal DIY Murphy beds. Our original desk design uses two balancing arms, one on the left side, and one on the right side of the cabinet for increased support and functionality. However, you can install only one balancing arm, either on the left or the right side of the bed cabinet, if you plan on making it the width of the deck board, less than a full width of the bed cabinet. In most cases it would not be necessary to customize a vertical Murphy bed, since the width of the cabinet is less than 65 inches. You can use the full width desk, unless you want to customize it for your decor. This customization be more suitable for horizontal Murphy beds, since the cabinet width ranges from about 81 inches, to just over 86 inches, which may be too long for some rooms. By doing this customization, can easily adjust the width of the desk anywhere from 50 to 60 inches, or any desired width for your application. This options is also beneficial if the bed frame and mattress combination of your DIY Murphy bed is already on the heavier side. Making a desk board smaller would cut down on the combined weight, and therefore cut down on the overall weight of the bed frame. If you want to change the width of your desk, first you need to decide if the main balancing arm is going to be on the left or right side of the bed cabinet, then also decide on the depth of the desk board. This way you can customize the width of the desk to best fit your space. After you have decided on the ideal width for your desk, you can attach the balancing arm to one side of the cabinet. Keep in mind that for the shorter desk, you just need one balancing arm, either on the left or right side of the wall bed cabinet. Remember to always cut the wood for your desk, after you have measured the distance between the two desk arm brackets. If you are installing the Murphy bed desk on an easy DIY Murphy bed brand, please watch video 3A. For other brands of Murphy beds, please watch video 3B.